When you gave this to Sergeant Kosi, are you saying that's you reporting to the SAPS? And if your answer is yes, then I leave it at that. I will not ask you any further questions. Are you saying that when you handed this over, that's you escalating it to the SAPS?
I can't find an easy way out, and the answer is no. Me sending to the Sergeant Kosi, I needed to understand the escalation processes on if I receive an issue of this nature, which I've ascertained myself, it's a fake letter, it's unlawful. What steps do I need to follow to raise this accordingly within the SAPS?
Okay.
That was the reason I sent it to Sergeant Kosi. I needed advice and guidance, which he provided me.
amukela ka channel ya hina ya Inside Central. Namuntlha hi ta va hi vulavula hi khomixini ya madlanga leyi nga ta va hi lika na Gareth Mnisi loyi a nga CFO wa municipality wa Tshwane loyi a nga yimisiwa entirhweni for nkarhinyana. Gareth Mnisi a ri ku nyikeni ka vumbhoni ka khomixini ya madlanga laha khomixini yi nga vutisa Gerald xivutiso xo loko Gerald a teka information ya municipality a yi nyiketa munghana wa yena Fani Nkosi u va a kha a yi report-a exiphoriseni na. Commission a yi rindzeli nhlamulo yo eka Gerald ku va kota ku ya mahlweni va vutisa swivutiso swa vona. Kulukumba Gerald va yile mahlweni va ku ni va ni nga report-anga exiphoriseni laha khomixini yi nga ha mahlweni yi vutisa ku so loko wena u nga report-angi exiphoriseni u nyikete munghana wa wena swilo leswi a wu fanele u nga n'wi nyiketi hi ku munghana wa wena nga tirhi ka municipality is just a public person ku fana na mani loyi a hanyaka etikweni ra hina ra Afrika-Dzonga. Laha va nga ha mahlweni va n'wi vutisa ku aka municipality a mi na vona vanhu vo lavisisa milandzu na. A hlamula a ku va kona va ku why u nga yangi ka vona. Kulukumba Mnisi va nga tivi ku va ta khoma nsinya mani va tshika yini. Swi vula yini leswi kulukumba Mnisi? Va ringanelini ku tshama xitilwini lexi va ngele ka xona kumbe va yo kanganyisiwa hi vakakanyisi na? Xana kulukumba Mnisi va ha ta vuyela ntirhweni na? Ni kombela hi hlamula ka ti-comment mi nyika mavonelo ma n'wina hi mhaka leyiwani ku xana Gerald Mnisi u ringanerile ku khoma position or xitulu lexi a nga le ka xona na? Ya ku le ku tikeni and loko va heta va kombisa leswaku Gerald Mnisi ka ha ri na masiku lawa ma nga ta vekiwa ku a vuya ka khomixini a ta nyiketa byin'wana vumbhoni. Kombela mi subscribe, mi like, mi comment. Danko.
Attempted fraud.
Officially, no. I was overtaken by events. The individuals disappeared. When I tried to contact them to say I'm here, the number just didn't work. Didn't go through any longer.
Does it mean you're resorting to Sergeant Nkosi on something like this? Does it mean that the city of Tshwane doesn't have its own internal investigations department or people that could have investigated this for you?
It does have that. But
why did you decide to go to Sergeant Nkosi instead?
It investigates internal matters. Their matters are for issues that occur within the city. They are not authorized to investigate other organs of state.
No, but this is a matter that is occurring within the city. You've been addressed in your official capacity as the chief financial officer, so it is a city business. It's not a personal matter. It says CFO, City of Tshwane, so it is a city matter, and you don't refer it to the legal department, you don't refer it to your internal investigators, you don't refer it to the city manager. You say there's protocol, it should have gone to the city manager. You don't say, city manager received this, I'm giving it to you because that's our protocol, that these kind of things should be coming to you. You go to, and then you don't lay a complaint with the SAPS. And if I'm not mistaken, they'll correct me, Sergeant Gossi is not a member of the Hawks. You don't lay a complaint with the SAPS, you go to your friend to help you solve a City of Tshwane matter. Even if it's a fraud, it's a City of Tshwane matter. Can you just explain why you choose not to follow protocol? You say we have a protocol. You don't follow protocol. Why?
Chair, I do follow protocol.
No, you didn't follow protocol. Your protocol does not include Sergeant Nkosi. Can we settle that? Nkosi is a member of the public. He's no different from me. So you going to him is not to follow protocol. And I've said to you, and I've indicated to you, bodies internally that you could have gone to, your internal investigation people whom you say you have. You have a legal department, and you have the city manager that you tell us correspondence is addressed to the city manager if there are issues, but you don't escalate this to the city manager to decide what to do with it. You instead go to your friend.
Okay. Chair, firstly, group audit and risk and legal investigate internal matters. They can't investigate external institutions. That was my understanding. That's still my understanding now. I couldn't have referred this matter to them. Firstly, I needed to ensure that I find processes in place to escalate this accordingly within the SEP structures. This was me asking for advice on what process I need to undertake to raise this matter accordingly to the relevant officials within SEPS. It was a SEPS-related issue where an unlawful...
Did you formally, when you gave this to Sergeant Gossi, are you saying that's you reporting to the SEPS? And if your answer is yes, then I leave it at that. I will not ask you any further questions. Are you saying that when you handed this over, that's you escalating it to the SEPS?
I can't find an easy way out, and the answer is no. Me sending to the Sergeant Nkosi, I needed to understand the escalation processes on if I receive an issue of this nature, which I've ascertained myself, it's a fake letter, it's unlawful. What steps do I need to follow to raise this accordingly within SEPS?
Okay.
That was the reason I sent it to Sergeant Nkosi. I needed advice and guidance, which he provided me.